Yeah, right now we're standing about 13 degrees. Yeah, that's what it was this morning when I left. Negative 0.9, so it was like negative 1 degree out this morning when I left. Yeah, it's quite chilly. So, I'm gonna go see if the case will start. It hasn't been running a couple of months now. I'll bring up a load of firewood with it. Yeah, I just uncovered it. See, we still got snow around it. Show you how cold it is. You can see past the dust lines. It's actually got like frost on the side of the engine. It's so cold. It's probably below 10 degrees Fahrenheit out here. We're at a lower elevation than the house where the thermometer is. Probably only 9 or 10 degrees, if that. I just put a little bit of gas in it because it's pretty low. This thing hasn't been started in, God, a couple months now at least. I don't remember the last time I tried starting it. I think with the battery will be okay still. Usually is. Give it about half throttle. Turn the key. It only likes choke for a couple revolutions. Didn't do half too bad for sitting out here in the cold and hasn't been started in a long time. I just got to put some hydraulic oil into the oil fill here for the transmission and hydraulic system. Got about, well, 15 pounds of oil pressure right now at idle. And that's idling right there. That's pretty good. I can't believe how fast it started. I mean, it started real good. It wanted some choke for a little while though. I can feel a little bit of heat coming off the engine already. It feels good. It is cold out. Okay, I just gave it some hydraulic transmission oil. That's what it uses because it uses the transmission as a hydraulic reservoir for the 3-point hitch and the bucket loader. So that's all set now. I'm just going to pull that funnel out and I'll start up and let it finish warming up. Okay, that's all back on. So shouldn't need some choke now. I'll push this back in all the way. Turn the key and we'll give it about quarter throttle. Not a problem. It might need more fluid, I don't know. I'll have to go get the, I've never had the dipstick out, but I'll have to check it. At some point, we'll find out later. If the bucket goes up and down, we're good. Okay, I just put air in the tires. There's my handy dandy little air pump right over here. The front tires are a bit low. So fill them up, and we should be good to go now. Should be warm enough.